Greetings, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be diving into something extremely useful for those of you working with Jira. By the end of this video, you're going to have a detailed understanding of how to easily locate your completed sprints and why this can be a game changer for project tracking and management. So let's get started. One efficient option we have is to use the Reports section. This is found in your Scrum boards and is particularly fantastic because it not only lets you view all your past sprints, but also provides you with associated data like burndown charts. These charts are fantastic as they visually represents work left to do versus time. To start this method, you'll want to navigate over to your project dashboard in Jira. This is where you can access all the different aspects of your project, but for our purpose today, we're going to focus on the left-hand navigation sidebar. Here you will see Reports, which you're going to want to click on. Upon clicking that, you'll enter into the Reports section. Do take a moment to explore. You'll see a variety of reporting options here like burndown chart, sprint report, or velocity chart, all of which can offer you different kinds of valuable insights. For this tutorial, feel free to select any report as we're mostly concerned with finding those sprints. Now, once you're viewing your selected report, gaze on over to the top of the report screen. In most cases, you should see a sprint drop-down menu. This is the key to finding all those completed sprints you're looking for, so proceed and click on that drop-down menu. As you'll notice, all the sprints linked to your project will be listed here. Quite often, Jira conveniently sections them into active sprints and completed sprints. Now, isn't that handy? At this point, locating the completed sprint you need is as simple as looking through the completed sprints section and tapping on the name of the sprint you wish to view. Sit back, relax, and take a few moments to explore the wealth of information provided about each completed sprint. And there you have it. So before I sign off, I'd like to remind you that when used correctly, tools like Jira can drastically streamline your project tracking and management tasks. Remember, knowledge shared is knowledge gained. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions over what we've covered today, please don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you found this content valuable, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Until next time, folks, happy sprinting.